Do you want to improve your English while listening to an inspiring story? Today, we bring you a tale about wisdom, patience, and the power of a positive mindset. Listen carefully, and we will explain important English words along the way. Once upon a time in a great kingdom, there was a wise and respected king named King Adrian. He ruled fairly, listened to his people, and ensured that justice was served in his land. But there was one thing that troubled him. Whenever something bad happened in the kingdom, his most trusted advisor, Master Leon, would always say, "Everything happens for a reason." One day, while the king was out hunting in the royal forest, he accidentally cut his finger with his sword. Blood dripped onto the ground. The king winced in pain, and his guards rushed to help him. Master Leon, standing beside him, simply smiled and said, "Everything happens for a reason, Your Majesty." The king looked at him, shocked. "Are you serious, Leon? I am in pain, and you say this happened for a reason?" Leon nodded calmly. "Yes, my king. Sometimes we do not understand why things happen, but in time, we will see." The king became furious. "You always say that, but this time I do not believe you. If you cannot explain why this is a good thing, then I do not need your advice anymore." Without another word, the king ordered his guards to throw Leon into prison. The wise advisor did not argue. He simply smiled and said, "Everything happens for a reason, Your Majesty." The king ignored him and rode back to the palace, still upset about his wound. The next week, the king decided to go hunting again. This time he rode deep into the forest, far away from his guards. But suddenly, a group of wild warriors appeared from behind the trees. They were fierce-looking men, covered in war paint, holding sharp weapons. The warriors captured the king and took him to their village. The leader of the warriors stood before him and said, "We are looking for a perfect sacrifice to offer to our gods, and you, king, are strong and powerful. You will be the perfect gift." The king trembled. He had heard stories about these warriors. Once they captured someone, they never let them go. He thought, "This is the end. There is no escape." The warriors prepared everything for the ritual. They lit a great fire and played drums. The entire village gathered around to watch. But just before they could proceed, one of the warriors noticed something strange. "Wait!" he shouted. "Look at his hand! His finger is missing a piece!" The other warriors gathered closer. They whispered among themselves. Then their leader spoke. "He is not a perfect man. We cannot offer an incomplete sacrifice to the gods. Let him go." The warriors immediately released the king and sent him away. The king ran back to his palace breathless, his heart still pounding. He could not believe what had just happened. When he reached the palace, he called for his guards. "Bring me Leon from the prison, at once!" Within minutes, the wise advisor stood before him. He was calm, just as he always was. The king took a deep breath and said, "Leon, I must admit you were right. When I cut my finger, I thought it was a terrible thing. But because of that small injury, My life was saved. Everything did happen for a reason. Leon smiled and nodded. I am happy you see the truth now, Your Majesty. But then the king frowned. There is still one thing I do not understand. If everything happens for a reason, why did I throw you in prison? That was unfair to you. Leon chuckled softly and said, Ah, but that too happened for a reason. If you had not locked me up, I would have been with you on that hunting trip, and since I have no injury, the warriors would have chosen me instead. The king laughed loudly. You are indeed the wisest man in the kingdom, Leon. From that day forward, the king never doubted his advisor again, and whenever something unexpected happened, he simply smiled and said, Everything happens for a reason. This story teaches us a valuable lesson. Sometimes, bad things lead to good outcomes. We may not understand why things happen, but time reveals the truth. A positive mindset helps us overcome life's challenges. Remember, trust the journey, even when you cannot see the destination. Did you enjoy this story? Let us know in the comments. What lesson did you learn from the king and his advisor? If you want to hear more stories that help you learn English, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. More great stories are coming soon.